You're looking for a closet light, under cabinet light that lights up the area for nighttime, daytime, or turn on. As the light turns off after 25 seconds time into the sensor, it lights up 10 feet away. We're going to show you what these lights are about and where you can hang them. From the company provider called LENOMA, it is a under cabinet closet light with 400 lumens. We're going to unpack it, show you what's inside the box. It comes with the remote control in black, made of metal, with 70 days of standby. In our demonstration, we have it plugged into a brick showing a red LED indicator that would change or turn off when fully charged. On the back of the unit, made of metal that you could place onto a wall, ceiling, floor, anywhere that has metal. The clips line up. They contour to the shape of the product. Peel the backing. Place up in 2 spots. Located on the side is your on and off, your Kelvin switch, the PIR sensor to detect 120 degrees 10 feet away to turn your light on and off and change your kelvins. It is a short press that turns the light on, a press again that blinks, and once again that will blink again and off. Turn the light on, change the Kelvin on the opposite side. Long press the Kelvin button to dim and long press to increase. We're going to hang our unit up on a frame of a door and in the closet and underneath the cabinet. We have a remote control. Please remember to remove the protective film for the 2025 battery with an off, an on, and different controls. We have an always on. Press the unit on first and then hit always on. It gives a blink. We have a night mode, so when you walk near, it'll light up, and a day mode. When you walk, it'll light up by the PIR sensor after it times out. You have your different kelvins that you could change from cool to warm. You have your dimness that you could lower down. You have your timer of 15, 30, 45, and 60. All this information can be found in your manual, how to set up, charge, and more. We have an area in our hallway, our closet, that we can hang up and secure. And when we need to use it, we could turn off and on our light, keeping it on position. This is what the light looks like when hung up in a low lit situation. We have under cabinet lighting, and we want to add additional lighting to the microwave. Metal bottom lights up the area to match the kitchen. This time we walk into the range of the PIR sensor, it'll light up. And there we are. We have the lights hung up. In this demonstration, you see the light level at the maximum level of brightness. You need a night light for the bathroom, low light, or increase it to a nice light, bright light for entryways and doorways and walk-in closets. Your under cabinet lighting for your closet needs, under cabinets, and more. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in an under cabinet lighting system. Thank you for viewing.